I tried to leave the past behind, but your shadow stays in my mind. The nights are long, the days feel strong, yet I am still holding on. Your voice still whispers in the breeze, a haunting sound that will not kiss. Your name still burns where it belongs, within my heart, still holding on. I walk the path we used to tread. Each step recalls the words you said. The stars still shine where love had shone, and I remain still holding on. They say the time can heal the pain, but every sunset feels the same. For even when the dawn was gone, my soul won't rest, still holding on. I see you in my every dream, a fading light, a distant gleam. And though the world keeps moving on, my heart stays still, still holding on.